Welcome to Crypto News Hub. Ethereum Merge is the transition of Ethereum's consensus mechanism from proof of work to proof of stake. Proof of work is an energy-intensive system that has been criticized for energy waste. The transition is expected to reduce Ethereum's energy consumption by more than 99%. However, the transition will also replace the Ethereum miners currently required to run the current proof of work system. The next move of the miners is fast becoming a topic of heated discussion in the Ethereum community. One possible option for the Ethereum mining industry is to move to Ethereum Classic. ETC was the result of the Ethereum Foundation's decision to hard fork the Ethereum blockchain in 2016. ETC's price has increased by more than 170% in anticipation of this move. The other and more controversial option is a hard fork of the Ethereum blockchain after the merge. The proof-of-stake layer will become the main Ethereum chain. However, another blockchain still running the proof-of-work mechanism will originate. A hard fork can cause major confusion and potential technological issues. The Ethereum Merge is set to be rolled out on the week of September 19th. With the date fast approaching, many influential figures and companies are releasing statements for or against any potential hard forks. Hit the subscribe button for daily crypto updates and watch these other videos as well. This is not financial advice. Trading involves risk. Do your own research or consult a financial advisor before you trade.